Okay, first plug is about me securing for day 2 kasi hindi ako nakasecure ng day 1, hindi siya kinain ng online, but gladly nakasecure ako for day 2 and nakuha ko yung prio section ko, which is 101, and then bumili agad ako ng OG light stick which is version 3. Since yung first na light stick ko is version 2 tapos fake pa, as fresh grad na hindi maalam sa mga official merch, Koreano pa naman yung binilhan ko pero fake pala yun. But this is very happy moment for me as Kyungso is one of my first BG talaga na gusto. And then I attended with my friends. And this is my seat. Ito yung first row mula sa extended stage. So sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang lapit niya. Super saya ng experience. So kahit mag-isa lang ako dito, I made friends. May nag-picture sa akin. O diba? Tututo ka talaga maging independent pag mag-isa ka lang. So, yung friends ko nasa ibang section lang sila. And then, merong pa-rows. Merong kasing fun project. And then, yung first na labas na film. So, nasa main stage siya nun. Sobrang lapit niya, guys. Hindi ma-justice ng camera yung mukha niya. In real life, sobrang lakas ng dating niya. And alam niyo ba, nag-sync yung version 3. And namulot ako ng maraming confetti. And that's some of our photos. So, yun lang. Thank you for coming with me.